Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. So let's get started. So here we are in Outlook, and from here what we're gonna do first is that you want to go into outlook.com, and then you would be prompted right here as soon as you're logged into your Microsoft account. So from here what we're gonna do is click here on the settings button right here, and then from here what we're gonna do next is click here on the calendar button. So click on that, and from here click on shared calendars. And once you're here, all you have to do right here is publish a calendar. So you want to select a calendar right here on your account. So in my case, I only have one. So I'm going to click here. And from here, I'm going to select the permission right here. So when I share this calendar, this will be the permission that people will receive so they can view when I'm busy or just can view all details. So I'm just going to click here. Can view all details, and then from here, click on publish. So once you click on publish, you should be seeing this information right here. You have the HTML and ICS. So what you want is the HTML right here, and tap or click on it, and then click on copy link. Once you're done, that you want to make sure that you copy it. So you click on copy, and then from here, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go head over into google.com right here with the calendar. So it would be calendar.google.com. And from here, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna click here on other calendars right here at the right side. Click on the plus button right here, and then from here you want to go for from URL right here, since we have copied this URL from Outlook. So we'll just simply paste that right here, and you can go click on add calendar, or you can also make it publicly accessible if you want to. So in my case, I'll just go add calendar, and now let's just wait for that to load right here. And now, as you can see, calendar created, fetching events in the background and so on. So now you have it right here. It has now been synced just like so. So all you have to do is go back, and yeah, you can even go click here on the three dots, and then you can go hide it from the list. You can change the color and so on right here. So if you have some details right here on this calendar, it should pop up right here in your calendar here in Google. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.